Starting with the precious name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and compassionate, the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the Maker of Hearts and the Shaper of Beauty. Honorable Chief Guest, respectable judges, and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, the nation is remembering those great leaders with respects and paying its tribute like Quaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allah Muhammad Iqbal, and other heroes. Honorable Chief Guest, our masters migrating from his homeland resolved the knot of Muslim nationhood. His wisdom founded one community. In the world its perish those who adopted the country on the basis of nationalism. The fabric of human community by making a country an object of dignity. They have divided our country into tribes. Your nation is about the color of bloods and nation. खुदाए लम यज़ल का दस्त कुदरत तू ज़बातु है खुदाए लम यज़ल का दस्त कुदरत तू ज़बातु है यकी पैदा कर ए गालिब के मग़लूब गुमातु है. Honorable Chief Guest, respectable judges and dear audience, today if we look back and think what kind of power Jinnah gave us in the form of an independent country, we cannot thank enough for such a blessing as a nation which are striving for their identities, suffering badly. Dominating heirs and those who have freedom must acknowledge this great gift. As Qaid said that Pakistan not only means independence and freedom, but Muslim ideology which has to be protected, which has to come to us as a precious gift and treasure, and which we hope the other will share with us. The Quaid Azam always felt proud of youth and believed that they can do their miracles with their strength and togetherness. Thank for your kind attention. Wassalam, Pakistan Zindabad.